how we can calculate pips in TradingView. Hello trader, this is Igor from FX Igor YouTube channel, and today we'll talk about TradingView and pips. So right now you're watching Eurodollar. If you want to measure the number of pips on your chart, you don't need to calculate in your head. You can, but you can use a special tool, measure. So on the left menu you will see like a ruler on the left side. You just press, this is the measure. Now I want, for example, to see this bullish spike here, like this, and to see this. As you can see, there is around 48 pips. So there is 48 pips using my 5-minute chart, and this is a bullish spike on Eurodollar. And as you can see, you can very fast calculate any kind of movement. For example, if you want to use 4-hour chart, you can just use your measure and see what is the, for example, what is the this kind of movement here. Actually, you can calculate the number of bars on the left or right side. Plus, you can see the volume, and you can see the number of pips. So right now you are seeing that there are 263.1 pip, and what's more important, there's a 46 bars, or let me translate because we have a 4-hour chart. There are more than 11 days time span, which I just monitor here. So this red area represents 11 days on 4-hour chart. So measure tools and this ruler is very good thing. I suppose one day that we can see the very good tool MetaTrader, because I as a trader use a lot. However, a lot of traders, beginner traders, have problem to calculate dollar and pips. So what I have some suggestion for you. Of course, if you want to make a rough estimation, you can always think like this. This is Eurodollar. And remember, if you have 1 pip move at Eurodollar and you use 1 mini lot trading size, it's always $1. So 1 mini lot, 1 pip, $1. Very easily you can remember. If you have a 1 lot, it will be 1 pip, $10. And this is the very easily thing to remember. However, if you want to use some other currency pairs, like for example US dollar, Japanese yen, the situation is a little bit different because the number of decimal places on the right side. So here, as you can see, we have number of pips, just a 2 decimal place after the in the number. So for example, I would put the ruler here. We have this spot, and we have, for example, right now I will watch this price, for example, like this. Okay, I want to see the movement here and here from 130.73 to 133.77, and based on this ruler measure tool, this is the more than 300 pips, actually 313 pips. And I watch on this red area the spot of the 13 days. The most important thing right now for US dollar, Japanese yen, as you can see, that we have, like I said, only 2 important decimal places that we calculate the number of pips in US dollar, Japanese yen. So as you can see, from 133 to 132, for example, it's 100 pips. And for Japanese yen or all yen crosses, we use this kind of tool and this kind of calculating pips. However, as a traders, we use and trade a lot of gold. Just a moment to see here, not Forex, just to see what we can trade here. Oh, yes. Yeah, this is the gold. So we're watching gold spot right now. As you know, the gold is volatile commodity, and we have a strong movements here. For example, here we will try to calculate, just a moment, like this, maybe this area here. And you can see that we have a more than 6,316 pips. So you see that the number of pips for gold is much higher. However, the brokers find a solution so you don't need a lot of money to trade gold. Actually, you can trade with a very small size of portfolio. You can trade gold. Why? Because you need to remember this. One micro lot, 100 pips is $1. So we measure with hundreds of pips when you want to calculate $1. And as you know, in that way, you can trade gold with a small amount of money. So you can have $100 and you can trade gold without any problem. So of course, you should have a much more because the gold is volatile commodity, and you should trade with a little bit bigger portfolio if you want to trade commodities, just because this volatility thing. And on the end, a lot of CFD traders, forex traders, except forex pairs, commodities like gold or oil, they trade indices. For example, one of the most used indices is Dow index. Dow's index we can see here is US 30. This is the very important thing, that TradingView is not brokerage company. So I will repeat, TradingView is not brokerage company. So you cannot calculate the number of dollars when you talk about TradingView, because TradingView can give you just the number of pips. Of course, what TradingView does, TradingView will give you from some other brokerage company prices. And right now for US 30 or Dow index is taking for currency.com. You can see here. For example, for NAS 100 index, you can see Oanda brokerage company. So you always need to check here when you pick some asset on TradingView which brokerage company it is. So right now we have a US 30, and we can watch this chart right now. And if I take the measure and just calculate like this, for example, you can see that we have 600, I repeat, 600 pips. So as gold and indexes, they have a lot of pips, but brokerage company protects us to not lose money very fast, and in that case they brings majority of brokerage companies, so not all, some will change, it's different to some other but 80% of brokerage company will give you, for example, for one pip, one micro lot and one pip, only $0.1. So you will have always ability to trade indexes with a very small amount of money. I remember, for example, I can trade S&P 500 using $10, believe it or not, because during the one day, one micro lot can go maybe $1, half dollar, you know. So we're protected from that side of point. So you don't need a lot of money to trade indices, to trade forex, to trade gold. There's no problem there, and you can easily calculate pips, dollars, rough estimation. Of course, you have a lot of pip calculators. Pip calculator on our website you can use whenever you want, but here on TradingView, this measure tool, I will repeat, this measure tool, this ruler on the left side is excellent tool that you can use and calculate pips and watch all these pips, etc. And please, traders, during the watch this video, if you need some help from TradingView or some platforms, or you want to ask about some kind of strategy or have some idea, please write. You can write a comment, and after a couple days or weeks I will publish video about that topic, and I will try to answer on your questions. So just ask any question in comments and I will create a special video if this kind of topic is interesting for you and other traders. I wish you a great day, and bye bye.